Hey friends, I wanted to show you this Not Just for Boys Kit Club page kits by Meridy for March 2021. So it comes packaged nicely, and I'm on the design team for the main kits, but I have to get these as well. They're super cool. Although, you know, Meridy, well, she is the boss of me. She isn't the boss of me with this because I usually don't do 2-page layouts. But these are for 2-page layouts. So you get this really great color instruction sheet that it gives you step-by-step instructions. It's super awesome. And I think she does an explanation as well on her YouTube, on the Not Just for Boys YouTube channel. So let me show you what we have in here, because I don't know. All right, first of all, we have from 49 and Market. This is the first month I've had anything by this collection. It is the sturdiest, like nicest feeling pattern paper I think I've ever had. So 49 and Market, Vintage Artistry Wedgwood, and this one's called Breeze. Now the cool thing is, let's see how this works. We have 2 of them, and she's gonna tell us what to do. Or do we have 3 of them? I think we have 3. And she's going, yes, we do. And she's going to teach us how to make a 2-page layout using these 3 papers. But guys, look at how gorgeous this is. So the front side, we'll just say the front side, it's got text. It's got scuffy paint. It has splatters. It looks like some stamping work. So I can go like this and we can show you everything in here all at once. And now the back side, it looks like painted blue canvas that's been mucked up, and there's still a little bit of this great text on it. It's gorgeous. We also have this from Bo Bunny Double Dot. It's called Rust Double Dot, and it is such, well, it's rust color. Super saturated rust color, and the back side is, it's like the world's best background. So it's just rust color, but it's variegated as well. So that's kind of cool, and it's picking up this tone right here. So we have that, and we have a piece of basil and cream puff, and it's textured. So great, we have that. And then we have a cut file, and it reads Wonderful You. So you already have a title done for you. And we also happen to always get, with our cut files, we get a kind of a thin piece of cardstock, and I always find a use for it. So it's great. And then I like to do my mixed media on my packaging. So yeah, I tend to try to get everything I can out of my goodies when they come. So next we have this sticker set. These are cool. I'm trying to read it, but I think it's in a different language. Yeah, it's Polish. So it's from P13 Soulmate Stickers number 2. So we've got these really great stickers. Like this is a banner sticker. See, we have these little banner sticker bits. Oh, these are all banners. Cool. This looks like wood grain. These are postage stamp size, but they don't have like the postage stamp things that come out. Guys, look at that gorgeous owl. So very, very cool looking stickers. And they have nice little phrases, all that kind of stuff. And this is the last piece we get with this kit. And holy moly, is this cool. Yeah, it's double-sided. So we have these gorgeous swooping owls. That's kind of an interesting piece. The black heart. We've got this nice old-fashioned compass. Places to put some journaling on. These gorgeous floral elements. So this is like a cut apart sheet, but it's super, super interesting. Is that a moth? I think it's a moth. There's a way you can tell what a moth is. I didn't know. And this really cool set of gears, hinges, old-fashioned clock. And then the back side, oh darn it. It's this gorgeous wood grain with like floral overlay. That actually runs towards cruelty because I want the wood grain, but I want the embellishments. And I can't even say I just want this one side because I want all of the owls. I'm trying to, anyway, I will figure it out. So This is available on the website. It's on the website. There will be directions for it on YouTube as well. I haven't been able to see it yet, so I can't wait to see. I'm trying not to show you like everything. Oh, I can't wait to play with this. This is going to be super awesome. Super awesome. I like the page kit she came up with. So if you have questions or comments, leave them down below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. I'm going to get this ready to create with. I'm going to go watch the video and get detail cutting like crazy on all these little tiny pieces. I'm going to just have to sacrifice that gorgeous wood grain in the interest of wanting to use all of those cool bits and pieces. So that's it for today, friends. We'll see you. Bye-bye.